Good morning, my lovelies. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. I have not vlogged in a week, you guys, which feels very strange, but I'm so happy to be back. We're having a bit of a mad dash of a morning. I need to like get the vlog up. It's uploaded, but I need to do like all of the description and everything, and I also still need to make the thumbnail. So I'm working on that right now. And then in about 40 minutes, I'm actually going live on Instagram to chat with my friend Kaya about my freelance stuff, which I'm very excited about. I think it's gonna be really fun. And I'm actually pretty sure that there's going to be like copies of the video. So I'll try to link that down below if there are, you know, ones saved on her Instagram or anything. But I just got out of the shower and like threw some clothes on. I do sort of want to get changed and maybe put a little bit of makeup on. I don't know, I have to look. I want to look at like what I look like on the Instagram app. Like, yeah, definitely a little bit of makeup would be nice, you know, but whatever, if it happens, it happens, because there are more important things here right now. But I think I'm just gonna keep this thumbnail really, really simple so I can just be like done with it basically immediately. By the way, if you were ever wondering how I make my thumbnails, I do it on my iPad with an Apple Pencil, and I just use Procreate and yeah, basically mess around with writing different things and drawing different things, and that's how I do it. Yeah, and the rest of this day is gonna be sort of busy too. Connor is out of town. He gets back today though. He's gonna be doing like more and more traveling for work, which is very exciting. Lots of great things happening for him, but also sad because I hate when he's out of town. But a lot of these trips are literally overnight. He left yesterday at like 7 p.m. although he had to go to the office, so I haven't seen him since like 11 a.m. and then he is back today at 4. So a lot of them are going to be really quick trips, and I am going to try to tag along with him on as many of them as I can. It's just, you know, I obviously can't always go, but we were playing with the idea of me maybe going along with him on a trip next week. We shall see. I don't even know what I've been filming on this clip. It's literally 13 minutes long, and I think maybe I'll use like 4 minutes of it max. Not even. That is probably an exaggeration. So let me wrap this up so I can get this ish done and we can take it from there. Just about to start getting ready, but I did want to talk to you guys really quickly because I just have the most exciting thing to share with you, and that is that Kate and Alex got engaged. We had the best time. I've been like dying to let this secret out, and basically what we did is we used my birthday as a cover for their engagement. We invited Kate to a big birthday party up in the Hollywood Hills for my birthday, but when she arrived, it was really her engagement, which was so exciting. It was me and Connor, Sarah and Cody flew in for it, and then one of their best friends from college, Eric, also flew in. It was so much fun. We got there, but it was like a little bit drama getting there because it was pouring rain when we first arrived, and there was no covered area here, but it really worked out. With the rain, you know, it ended up stopping and these gorgeous double rainbows appeared. And I just felt like that was such a beautiful sign. And honestly, the ground being wet made everything so pretty and reflective. It was just the most special moment. I cannot begin to tell you how excited I am for them. So big congratulations to them. If you don't follow Kate on socials, I'll be sure to link her Instagram down below. Go over and congratulate her and Alex because we were just so thrilled. It was so exciting. It was the first engagement that I've ever like been a part of. So that was like crazy to be there for it. And they're some of our absolute best friends. So just so excited, so happy for them. Afterwards, we all went out and had just a really great time with a bigger group of friends. And yeah, it was awesome. So I just wanted to share that because it's just so exciting. I'm so happy for them. Okay, and now seriously, like I got no time here. I like how I just looked at my wrist as if I have a watch. I got no time here, chill. I need to start getting ready, let's go. We are just going to get a quick little bit of makeup on, like literally a little bit of concealer under the eyes here, just to brighten them up a little. And I'm also breaking out a little over here right now. I'm getting my period next week, so I think it's just my usual hormonal BS. Get my eyebrows brushed up. I would like a little bit of blush and bronzer on my face. Bring a little bit more life into my face right now. And then just some mascara, I think. I'm not even gonna bother with eyeshadow or anything like that. I feel like that's pretty fine. The last thing I'm going to do is just a smidge of highlight on the tip of my nose, just because I love the way that that looks. Maybe here too. Okay, and that is all. Making myself a chai really quickly, and we have like 7 minutes until we're getting on to the live, but I want to open this package super quickly because I think I'm gonna wear something that's in here. This little Amazon package. First up, I got a pack of my sunglasses again because I have lost both of them again. This is my 3rd time buying these now. Like, Jill, get your ish together here, but they're my favorite sunglasses, and so I don't care, and they are affordable, and this is why I don't buy nice sunglasses, because I lose them. So there you go. So I have the black ones, and then there's these little like sort of tortoise ones. So I got those, and then I just got a pack of new tank tops. My favorite, oh my god, Molly just like jumped out of nowhere. That was very weird. My favorite white tank top, the strap is coming off. I'm 100% sewing it back on because it's my favorite white tank top. But it also is pretty old and could probably use a little refresh. So just picked up a little pack of tanks. We have a white one. We have a black one. Believe it or not, I don't have like a plain black tank like this, which is ridiculous. And then this was supposed to be like a brown, like brown, but it is not, but that's okay. I feel like, I don't know, this might wash me out. We'll see, but there you go. And I think I'm just gonna throw on this black tank right now, and we are about to hop on this live. So I'm very excited, and let's do it. My little kitty cat. There she is. Hello, vloggy girl. Do you love vlogging? As soon as I move in, she moves away. Look at how beautiful she looks. You're a little vlogger. Does that feel good? This angle is killing me on her. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, live complete. That was so much fun. Like I said, I will try to link it down below if I remember. So fingers crossed. And in the meantime, oh my gosh, you guys, that live was so much fun. I had such a blast. Molly's so cute. It was so fun sort of like talking through my Molly cat. Molly, move it. It was so fun sort of talking through my history. There was a lot of stuff that I honestly forgot along the way. So anyway, it was great. And as I said, I will try to remember to link it down below. But if not, just check out Kaya's page, Kaya Delbora Health. And anyway, I need to get some editing done now, but I want to show you guys this tank top that I just opened for you because I think I'm gonna return it. So there are a lot of things that I don't really like about this. It comes up really high in my armpits. I feel like that should be lower. It also just like comes up high along my chest, and like this comes up too high. I just don't love it. So I'm gonna return it, especially because that other tank top is not even the color that it was supposed to be, and I don't really love the color. So we're gonna return it and try to find another set of tank tops. What I loved about this set, although it didn't even work out, is that it came with a black, a white, and a neutral, which is definitely the 3 colors I want. Usually it's like black, white, gray, and then like, you know, neutral, like a white, neutral, something else. I don't know. So I liked the colors in the set, but you know what? The colors weren't even what I wanted them to be anyway. So there was no point. So anyway, I'm gonna take this off now. I obviously kept it on for the live, but it's just not that comfortable. So I'm going to get changed and we shall return this. It is 1:13 p.m. and that means it's time for lunch. I have a call at 2, so I wanna make sure that I have time to eat and prep for that, and then we shall do it. So I just have some leftovers from dinner last night. I went out for a client dinner to one of my absolute favorite restaurants in Los Angeles, Macaroni Republic, located in downtown, a special restaurant to me and Connor too. That's sort of the restaurant that at least I attribute to like the moment when I was like, this guy's really special. So anyway, I love it. It's extremely affordable, like ridiculously affordable, and the best pasta ever. It's so good. So I have a little bit of like a pasta with meat sauce, and then this one is like a creamy vodka sauce with burrata. So we just gonna heat those up for lunch today. Come on. They won't come out. Not budging. Okay. Holy hell. Could not have been more stuck down. Been a nice little productive period in there though. Got my video done. Also did a little bit of client acquisition, which was really great. And yeah, I have a sort of client intro call at 2, like I mentioned. Not really an intro call. What can I call this? I don't know. We're just chatting about whether I would be a good fit to help them out with their brand. So looking forward to that. And then really right after that, we are going to jet over to the airport to pick up Connor. He lands at like 3:15. So I told him that I would pop over and pick him up. Just because it's a nice thing to do and no one wants to have to Uber from LAX. It is the worst. I cannot tell you how much I hate Ubering at LAX. So anytime we can pick each other up, have the time to, we do. Yeah, this looks so good. I'm very excited. Their pasta is all made fresh in-house. All of their sauces are fresh. Actually, the meat sauce, it's called something de nona. I can't remember what the first word is, but anyway, it's their grandma's meat sauce recipe, and it's like the best meat sauce I think I've ever had in my whole life. And the burrata pasta, I mean, you cannot go wrong with pasta with a dollop of burrata on top of it, obviously. Well, the time has come to go pick up our Coco, and honestly, I am wearing this to pick him up because it's not like I'm gonna get out of the car anyway. And so why would I change out of my comfy clothes? You know, it's just not gonna happen. But we are gonna go grab Connor now and then swing back here. I have a little bit more work that I want to finish up today. That call went great, so really happy with that. And then yeah, workout at 5. So today's going pretty well. I'm pretty pleased with it. Hello. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Oh. Get in here. Wow. Hi, babe.
Luxury.
Okay, time for my workout. I really don't feel like working out today, but we are going to do it. It is a strength and restore class, so it's only 30 minutes of working out and then 30 minutes of like really relaxing, stretching. Like I can show up for that. It's gonna be fine. Just one of those days though where I was just not feeling it. It's not feeling it.
Focus in. 2. Last one. Hold your plank. Lower down to your forearms and just hold. 5, 4, 3, 2. Lower your knees down. Open your knees wider than your hips. Send your hips back. Child's pose and breathe. 9. Keep going. 8. Yes, Jill. Get it, girl. 6, 5. You don't have weight. This might feel a little funky, but we want to engage those muscles. So feel like you're actually lifting something up. 3, 2, adding on. Extend your arms up to a T and then draw them back in.
This little cat was on one today. Yeah, and then you just curled right up there. She would not leave me alone during that. That was so nice though. Perfect mixture of like a nice workout and then such a relaxing ending. I feel like I'm so tired now, just so chill. Feels great. Dinner is served. It's sushi night in our house and I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. We got all the goods ready to go.
And Survivor.
Yes, Survivor comes back tonight, you guys. So excited. I'm still not over the international Survivor situation with them removing it from all platforms. I'm not over it yet. That's okay. At least I will now have some kind of Survivor to watch because life is just better with Survivor. Very intrigued to see what they do with this season because since they made them a little shorter due to like pandemic filming, they've been making them really intense with more twists and stuff. So I am intrigued to see what will be coming our way.